Did you know that in the past year,
It has been documented for the first time in history that half of the world's population now lives in urban areas.
The EPA estimated that the average American spent 90% of their time indoors. Yet the average American typically has no control over the public environments they inhabit.
The National Fire Protection Association estimated 8,400 fires have occurred in public spaces, causing 3,900 injuries, 275 deaths, and over $480 million in direct property damage. In all of these cases, interior furnishings and content have been the first ignition point.
The U.S. Department of Labor estimated 300,000 disabling injuries have occurred in the American workforce, resulting in 1,400 worker deaths. 60,000 of these injuries were caused by slips and falls, due in part to improper specification of flooring materials. The numbers are staggering. Who contributes to these statistics?
the public's impression of interior design is selection of finishes, including paint and furniture. In reality, an interior designer is responsible for making informed decisions that affect the health, safety, and welfare of those occupied spaces.
The Interior Design Coalition of Washington is a unified voice representing interior designers, students, educators, industry partners, and consumers.
The goal of the Interior Design Coalition of Washington is to advocate for the interior design profession. IDCW is leading the effort to secure legislation in Washington state that will allow interior designers the choice to become registered.
Just like other professions working in the built environment, IDCW is setting standards of minimum competency, which will ultimately protect the consumer. It will allow consumers to easily choose the level of design services they need for their project.
Professional interior designers are trained to consider all aspects of design, including accessibility, safety codes, sustainability, and product selection that meet the needs of the consumer.
Professional interior designers evaluate how spaces can best accommodate 4 generations, from strollers to wheelchairs, how lighting and noise can impact productivity, how air quality can affect asthma and other health issues, and how fabric and flooring materials can provide the best protection against toxic fumes in the event of a fire.
Interior design is facing the challenges and demands of an evolving profession and a changing society.
You can help. Enhance your profession.
Engage your community.
Elevate design.
Thank you for your continued support of IDCW and the future of interior design.